Welcome to the Introduction to Yoast SEO tutorial. Today, you'll learn about what Yoast SEO is and what it does. Yoast SEO is a WordPress plugin that allows you to SEO or search engine optimize your website. Search engine optimizing your website can be beneficial in many ways, but most importantly, it'll improve your website's ranking in the search engine results. Every page on your website can be search engine optimized via the Yoast SEO plugin. Pages can be search engine optimized via the Elementor Editor panel by navigating to the Yoast SEO Editor panel. With Yoast, you can also see the SEO score, readability score, number of outgoing internal links in this post, the number of internal links in this post. You can view this from the Pages menu tab. You've now been introduced to what Yoast SEO is and what it does.